So here we are going to see about the basic concepts in microprocessor and microcontroller. First is about digital computers. Digital computers is, you all know, this is a consist of in discrete form, that means in numbers we have to solve it. So first digital computer was invented in 1940s. First it was used for numeric calculation. This zeros and ones is called as binary digit, or also called as bits. This basic digital computer is divided into two types, hardware and software. Hardware means the physical components of the system, and software means set of instructions needed to solve the problems. And this is the block diagram of digital computers. So you all know central processing unit is called as brain of the computer. This RAM is used for storing memory. This IO devices is used to give input and display output. So this is a bidirectional, that means data is shared from CPU to memory or memory to CPU. Both is possible. Then the CPU is used for performing arithmetic and logic units, and registers for storing data, and data circuit for fetching, and fetching means taking the data and executing it. This memory is stored as RAM. RAM is volatile memory, that is data is lost when the power is switched off. Then input devices, terminals means for connecting. Input devices like keyboard and mouse is used, and for storage we are using magnetic disk. If you want, we can connect printer or scanner. So what is this microprocessor? So microprocessor is present in CPU, which is it is called as multipurpose programmable clock driven integrated circuit. Integrated circuit is like a chip, it is like a small black colored one. This is used to read binary instruction from any storage devices like memory. It accepts binary memory data as input, and we can process it, and finally it produce the results. So it is completely it is built with it is all connected with RAM, ROM input devices, and it is developed by LSI, that means large scale integration, or VLSI means very large scale integration. So this is the basic architecture of microcomputer. This microprocessor is consist of ALU, registers, and timing and control unit. So this ALU means what? For arithmetic and logic unit classification, and registers for storing information, and timing for controlling the devices. What is this bus? Bus is nothing but set of wires. So this all together consist of system bus, that means address bus, control bus, data bus. This all connected to memory. This bus is connected, that means the wires connected input devices, output devices, microprocessor, and RAM, ROM. So arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, logical means OR, XOR, everything can be stored. It is stored in particular registers or in the memory. So registers is nothing for storing data. This is A means accumulator. B, what are the B, D, H, program counter, stack pointer, and address bus, data bus. Timing and control devices. Is all the data can flow at the time, but it has to be managed. Using what? Microprocessor controls all the managing devices using control units. So input devices, to get information from the user, we are using input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, trackball, MIC, barcode reader. These all comes under input devices. Output devices is like printer, monitor. These all called as output devices. Memory. So memory means, for storing all the data and information, we are using this memory. This is all about architecture of